How to import presets in After Effects. First, make sure that you have your effects preset downloaded on your device. So I have mine here. Let's first extract this one. After that, open this extracted file and copy all the presets. Then let's now go to your Adobe After Effects file location. In my case, it's on my local disk D. Click this Adobe folder, then Adobe After Effects, and click Support Files. From here, scroll down until you find the Plugins folder. Click on that, then click on Effects, and click Select Folder below. Then check this. Go to your After Effects, go to Effects and Presets over here, and search for preset name. Let's say we want to use this flicker, so type on that, type it on the search box, and there you go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.